Will it run? Spray 9. Okay, so we've been hitting it with spray 9, using that brush to get the brown stuff off now. But I just tried an SOS pad here. It actually worked really quick getting the brown stuff off. So I think we'll be SOS padding a bunch of this stuff because the paint's already damaged, so it's not like you're going to scratch it. So yeah, SOS pad to try and get some of that stuff off of there. I figure her. Okay, there it is, hanging from the hoist. It's out of the car in all its glory. It's very dirty, greasy, needs to be cleaned up, and we need to find out what's ailing it. Well, we'll pull some of this side a little bit more apart.
People still care about that shit.
Well, they do, well, for now, anyway. So that was part of the problem there. This guy's starting to sink. And if we go around to the other side, the top of that valve, with that sinking exhaust, that was getting beat right up because there was probably no clearance there because the valve had sunk so bad. So when we were moving things around, we found that guy must have been laying in the bottom of the head. So there's the little tip off the valve. And there it is, the 427 coming out of the bathtub, the hot tub. And out of the back of the truck, the 427 after just getting decked, and we'll show you more of that later. Okay, so they're going into the oven. Well, here's this very grungy Holly 750 that actually come off the Chevelle. I guess that's the one we had a little fire with. Ultrasonic cleaner, and see if we can get this thing looking a whole bunch better than it does. So we'll come back and show you that in a bit. Okay, and there it is in the ultrasonic cleaner, if I can hold it up. Okay, I'll let you guys watch that. I'll set something up so you guys can watch. Okay. There's one cleaned up. Okay, I got the timing area. I think it's done good enough. It's pretty shiny. If you rub your hand across it, it is very smooth. Oil should run down that very quickly. So that should work. I'm just going to finish up the inside here and get it a little smoother and a little nicer. I will have you guys watch some of that. So I'll be back. Okay, so that got us down to about 953, I think, 0.5. So we only got about 1 gram left to take out of there. So I'll take a little bit more with this grinder, maybe just a half a gram, And then I'll take something a little finer and just kind of smooth it up so it's nice and Okay, it's Saturday and we are here to work in the car. Chris is going to start doing all the brakes. He's putting new disc brakes on the front. He's actually doing the whole brake system. So he's getting rid of all that. He's running all new brake lines. We picked up a new used front disc brake setup. He just put Hirsch in the back in his favorite spot. Back there getting ready for daily sleep. But anyway, we'll come back and forth and have a look at this. He's also changing the A-arms and stuff on it. So he's going to rip this apart and clean things up. We'll show you as we go. Oh, hey, that looks good. Look what Chris has done over here. Wow, what an upgrade. That looks really good.
That's not bad.
Well, it's pretty good compared to the junk that come off of it.
That's true.
Wow. This old girl hasn't seen anything like that for 37 or 40 years. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Could have been way worse, right?
Yeah, that's true. And it still could be.
No, it's come along nice.
Yeah. And now that I see the way to get that spring back.
Well, you're doing the worst part right now, too.
Yeah.
That's the worst part, is that spring and everything, right? So, you know, the guy gets that done, and then, you know, changing the master and the booster and everything, yeah. Just always, the front springs are always a pain. And the A-arms, right? But at least we got them A-arms with bushings and ball joints in them, so that saved a bunch of. And there's probably some ET gained right there. A pound of dirt.
There it is. Pound of dirt and grease. Yep.
It looks good when it comes inside. It kind of likes being inside. Okay, well, I'll go back to my grinding. Okay, we do have a tilt column for it. It didn't have a tilt column in it. So we're going to clean this column up and stick him in. Okay, steering column is pretty much in. Got to throw a steering wheel on it yet. Other than that, it should almost be operating again. I can have a look and see what Chris is doing. Oh, he's playing with a brand new. Look at that guy. Look at that.
No need clavin.
No, there wasn't, eh? Oh, wow.
That's fine. I'll use that one. It's got to actually suck it.
Yeah.
Suck it in.
Got a brand new brake booster he's putting on. Okay, we're back. It's a Saturday. Chris is going to start doing the back brakes on this thing, and he took off the drum, and there are some of the nasties that are in there. I haven't seen one quite that ugly for a while. That is one of the uglier ones. So Chris got a bunch of the brake work done this weekend. I wanted to show it to you in a little more detail. This is what he took off. Pads were basically coming right off the steel shoes. There's all the rusty brake parts, rusty drum. Everything's good and wore. And you got it looking like that. So it's got a new wheel cylinder in it, all new parts. He's got new pads on it. You've got different backing plates and drums that have been redone. So yeah, it's quite a change from that to that.
And that'll help clean out any grit and stuff that's right in the honing process. So we'll clean that out good. I have to spray it all with WD-40 right away so it doesn't rust. I've got the greaser on it, so I'll scrub all these and then I'm going to hit it with the pressure washer out here. And then also I'm going through the oil galleys.
You're still finding more carnage. Yeah, lots of little pieces out of that diff, so it wasn't a happy diff. No, it was not. But he's putting some new races in it right now, and he's got new bearings for the pinion. Okay, got the frame scrubbed up and painted up, and so it makes the engine bay look quite a bit better. Not gonna be perfect by any means, but look a little bit better when we drop that big block in.